Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're here, you're probably facing some issues with the macro or 0.5 zoom on your iPhone's wide angle camera. Don't worry, I've got you covered. In today's video, I'll guide you through some few simple steps to troubleshoot and hopefully fix the problem. Let's get started. First things first, let's check your camera settings. Sometimes the solution is as simple as toggling a few settings. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Camera. Make sure the macro control toggle is turned on if you have an iPhone 13 Pro or later. If macro control is enabled and you're still having issues, let's move on to the next step. A good old restart can fix many software glitches. Let's try that. Press and hold the power button along with the volume down button until the slide power off slider appears. Slide to power off. After the phone is off, press and hold the power button again and until the app logo appears. Once your iPhone is back on, check if the macro or 0.5 zoom is working. Next thing is outdated software can cause compatibility issues. Make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Open the Settings app. Then tap on General. Tap on Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. After updating, test the camera again. If it's still not working, let's try resetting the settings. Resetting all settings can help resolve any configuration issues without deleting your data. Open the Settings app. Tap on General. Scroll down and tap on Reset. Tap on Reset all settings. Enter your passcode if prompted, then confirm the reset. Once your iPhone restarts, reconfigure your settings and test the camera. If none of these steps worked, it might be a hardware issue. Contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for further assistance. I hope one of these steps helped you fix the macro or 0.5 zoom issue on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.